When I was pregnant with my first child, the dentist told me I had the worst breakdown he ever saw. Some of them were loose. The teeth became loose, and they were not good. And I lost teeth earlier, so I didn't have a full set of teeth.
Nancy came to our office and she had missing teeth, gum disease, she was having pain, and she really wanted to do something about her smile. She was really unhappy with it. And so over a course of some months, we removed all of her top teeth. We placed titanium implants into her upper jaw, and we fit her with a 5-implant denture that was able to snap in.
He does a wonderful job. He's very careful, very particular, and makes sure everything is all right. I think that what Dr. Orenstein has completed is the best solution that I could have, because my mouth feels like it's my mouth. It doesn't belong to somebody else. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall out. I can smile and don't have to worry about having big open spaces, which I did have. All in all, it's been an adventure, and I think it's worth it.